Okay, I'm just showing this Yaboom remote control game controller with a microbit sending radio signals to the Superbit version 1. And I've got 3 servos, a continuous servo, and then 2 gray positional servos. I've got them programmed as being 270-degree servos. This is the code. I'll put a link to this code in the description of the video. This is the receive code that goes on the Yaboom on the car. It just says that when it receives certain signals from this, do something. Here is the send code. GH-bit is the extension in the send code. It's saying if we press buttons, it sends a certain signal, and if we press the rocker, that's this joystick, it sends certain other signals. So when this microbit receives those signals, it does something. It makes the servos go up, down, makes the wheels go left and right, forward, backward. So I did this so that we'll have the links to these 2 programs in the description of this video. I actually got the beginning of this from a video we did back a year ago. So there are the basic codes for a motor-driven 2-motor bot car called Game Controller Yaboom Radio. So there will be more.